Hi everyone, welcome back. Now we are going to study the exercise. We are going to do the exercise together related to the present progressive. Okay. After we have learned about the form of present progressive, we learn about the spelling rule of verb plus ing. We learn about the uses of the present progressive. Now it's time for practice, doing exercise. Alright? And for this moment, I'm going to explain you about the present progressive exercise. And tomorrow, we are going to learn about the present progressive versus present simple. Okay? So now, today we focus mainly on the present progressive first. Please have a look. Example, my son blank talk right now. Verb talk in the bracket, and then right now is the keyword of the present progressive. So we can form the present progressive by using the verb talk inside the bracket. Alright? So what do we have now? My son is talking right now. Okay? The kids hide behind the tree. Now, it's also the keyword of the present progressive. So look at the example again. The kids hide, the verb to hide. Now look at the form. The kids, how many kids is that? Not only one kid. Okay, not only one kid. Two or more than two kids. So what do we have as a subject? We use pronoun they. So when we use they, what part of verb to be we are using now is are. So the kid are, look at this one, hi. Can you see the single E at the end of the verb? As you know about the rule of spelling ing form, all verbs ending in a single E before adding ing, we have to drop out E or erase E before adding ing. So what do we say now? The kids are hiding. So there is no E here. Understand? The kids are hiding behind the tree now. And look at the third example. She wash, okay, her face at the moment. So at the moment is also one of the keywords, okay, that you need to use as the present progressive. So look at the sentence example. She wash, okay, so what do we have now? She is washing, okay, her face at the moment. Lee and I swim in the lake right now. So swim is the verb that we are going to make it into present progressive. Alright? So what is that? Do not see subject I and put am straight away. Before you make the right form, you have to think clearly or exactly about what kind of verb is, or what kind of subject is that. Sorry. What kind of subject is that? Is it I? Or is it we, you or they, or he, she, it? Right? So this one, you have to see how many subjects do we talk about? We talk about two subjects. Okay? Lee and I. How many people? Two people, not just one me. Right? So what is that? We use we. So we are swim. Remember the verb swim. Verbs ending, okay, with a CVC. Okay, consonant, vowel, consonant. So before adding ing to the verb, we have to double the last consonant Which one is the last consonant? It's M. So one more M and then I N G, swimming. Let's go to the other example. What? And then look at the question. This is not the positive sentence. This is not the negative. This is the question sentence. Alright? This is the question sentence. So you know how to form the question sentence. Alright? Now look at this one. What? Where? Which one is the subject? Is you. Which one is the verb? Is do. So if you see the verb you, or so if you see subject you are automatically use are. You understand? So what do you say? What are, and then subject you do plus ing. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? So look at the example, the other example. Dara, drive me home now. Dara, drive me home now. So this is what? This is the affirmative sentence or positive sentence. So what do we say? Dara, blank, and then drive. So what do you make as the present progressive? Dara is, look at the word drive. Okay? Drive here, we make it to present progressive, we add ing, okay? But before we add ing, you have to concentrate on verb ending in a single e. So drive is one kind of verb ending in a single e. So before you add ing to the verb, you have to drop out e or erase e and add ing, driving. Dara is driving me home. Dara is driving me home now. Okay? Let's go to the example. Why? And then which one is the subject? Okay? He and run is the verb. This is the question form. So how do you make question form? By using part of verb to be in front of the subject. So which one is the subject? He. So what do you say? Why is he running? Now look at this one. O is a consonant, U is one of the vowel, N is one of the consonants. So C, V, C. Before adding ing, what do you say? Double the last consonant and then add ing, right? Okay, running. Who is running? Sorry, why is he running? Okay, let's go to the other example. She, and then vacuum the carpet right now. You can see the word right now again. So what is that? She is vacuum. So what do you say? Vacuuming. Alright? She is vacuuming the carpet right now. David, look at this one. David, homework at the moment. Present progressive. Right now, present progressive. Okay? So what do we have now? David is, what's that? Do. Can I say David is do homework at the moment? It is not right, because this is not the right form of the present progressive. The form of the present progressive is made by the part of subject and the part of verb to be plus verb plus ing. Do we have subject now? Of course we have. How about verb to be? Yes, of course we have. And how about verb plus ing? Oh, sorry, I forget. So that's why you plus ing. David is doing the homework at the moment. Let's go to the other one. Tida, help me at present. So you can see one more keyword, at present. I mean now. Okay? So what do you say? Tida is help. Look at this one. Can you double one more P? Can you double the last consonant? You cannot. This is not in the rule. Okay? See, we see one consonant, one vowel, and one consonant. So how about this one? One consonant, one vowel, one consonant, two consonant. So there's no double P, right? So just add ing, helping. Tida is helping me at present. Look at the other one. Look. Okay? Look. Eat and then rain right now. You cannot say, look, it rains right now. You cannot say like that. So what do you say? Look, it is raining right now. Can we double one more N here? We cannot, because it is not in the rule, you know. Or if one consonant, A is one vowel, A is the second vowel, and N is a consonant, so we cannot. You understand? Just add ing to the verb. So we have, look, it's raining right now. Look, it's raining right now. So the word look and also right now, they both are the keywords of the present progressive. So today, you remember a lot of keywords. That all the keywords can help you make the right decision, whether you use present simple or present progressive. Alright? So you can have a look, you can have a note, you know, like notice for the keywords. Like look, okay? Right now, at present, at the moment, now, you know. So look at the other one. Watch out, the birds. Watch out, the birds. Fly, sorry. Fly to the truck. Okay, now look at this one. Watch out, the bird fly to the truck. Look at this one. The word watch out is also one of the keywords we use as the present progressive. Okay, so remember, watch out, right now, at present, at the moment, now. These are all the keywords for present progressive use, right? Look at this one. Watch out, the birds. What is it? You cannot say, watch out, the bird fly to the truck. We cannot say like that. So what do you say? Watch out, the birds are flying. Can you double one more Y? You cannot. Remember about the uses of the rule of spelling number 1? Verbs ending in Y, X, W, okay? You only add ing at the end of the verb. So, you don't want to say anything about it. That's why we say flying. Watch out, the birds are flying to the truck. Dina, a big hole right now. Dina is the name of a person, maybe a man or maybe a woman, we don't know. But Dina mostly a girl, okay, a woman. So what is that? Dina is, can I say, Dina is dig a big hole right now? Can I say this? I cannot, because this is wrong. This form is used in the present progressive. So we form the present progressive by using subject plus part of verb to be plus verb plus ing. Just remember in your mind. Remember in your mind, right? So what is it? Subject. Do we have subject? Yes, of course we do. And how about part of verb to be? Yes. And how about verb? Just only verb. Where is ing? Yeah, ing, okay? Another one. When you see the word digging like that, do you think that this is the right spelling of verb plus ing? Remember about C, we, see? Consonant, vowel, consonant. What are we going to do when we have the verb ending CVC like that? Remember? One more G. So what is that? D is one of the consonant, I is one vowel, and G is one consonant. That's why before we add ing, we have to double the last consonant. So we have Dina is digging a big hole right now. Let's go to the last one of the example today. You spend a lot of money these days. So these days also used as the present progressive. Okay? Sorry. You, was it? You are spending, okay, a lot of money these days. So this is all from me today. We are going to learn more about the practice of present progressive, okay, for the next video.